Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed property of the day, commercial property in Galloway Township. I have 1.5 acres right on the White Horse Pike, right next door to the Dollar General. You could use this property as it situates as a used car lot and also golf cart sales, plus it's a U-Haul dealership. Right now it's Kane's Auto Sales, and the lot size is huge for the zone. 1.5 acres, and we'll walk that and check it out. You can see the Dollar General to my left, and then to the right, just a few feet down, is the Wawa and all kinds of other commercial activity. This property is located between Pomona Rd and Jimmy Leeds Rd, so there's thousands and thousands and thousands of cars that go by every single day here. The Kane's Custom Carts is the golf cart section sales of the property, and they've done a nice job, and that could be a continuation of the business. The used license, auto license, that's being sold separately from the real estate, so we can make a deal with that, but that's going to be separate. The U-Haul dealership, that's part of the contract that you would sign going into purchasing this property. We would work out the details on that later as well. Another good feature about this property is the side yard. This could be used as a storage area for vehicles. You'd have to get township zoning approval for this, but it certainly has the capability to be fenced and to house all those. You can see the golf carts all neatly arranged here, and they've done a really good job in selling a lot of these carts. And of course you have the U-Haul. The total garage square footage and office square footage is 3,140 square feet. This gives you a taste of what the interior is of the garage. There's no hydraulic lift, so you don't have to worry about any of those kinds of environmental issues that come with the hydraulic lift. The offices are nondescript. You have a front public-facing area for customers to come in. You have some office cubicles. You have another office in the back. You have a bathroom. You have a lunch area here to my right, and everything that you need to run a business. So the current operator has been very, very successful in this location. No reason why you couldn't be as well. The used car license is really a rarity. To my understanding, there's no other licenses of that sort available in Galloway Township. Of course, you could use it as it is, as a fix-up garage, used car, golf sales center, or you could tear all this down and use the pad site. You see how huge it is. Imagine how many parking spots and how many customers that you have. 285 West White Horse Pike. Make your appointment today.